Light from the sky. And on the leg. Oh, beautiful.
The vlog is
The vlog just started.
Just started?
No,
Oh
wait,
my
man,
God.
the vlog just started.
Oof.
What's up, boys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're here on a beautiful rooftop in Thailand, and we're gonna blow up some fireworks. Let's go. Welcome back to the vlog, boys. From the sky, from the sky. Woo! What the fuck? Oh, let's go! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Alright, boys, there's a skier at Thai Wake Park right now, and I've never seen anyone ski as good as this guy on a cable in my life. This guy's doing the triple rail here at Thai Wake Park. He's a machine on skis. He's doing proper wakeboard tricks on skis on rails. I've never seen it before. I don't know the guy. I'm gonna go double onto him, and hopefully he's down to get some clips. Man, that was insane, bro. I'm mind blown, boys. I'm fucking mind blown. That was crazy. I always talk shit about skiers, but can't say anything about this guy. This guy is a full sender. It was insane.
Super crazy. Super chakuao.
Thanks for that, bro. That was so sick. Turns out he's actually got his own ski brand, and that's why he's probably so good at skiing. He's gonna show them to you boys right now.
So for every guy who wants to try wake ski, don't hesitate to have a look at our brand Skills, Wake Skills on Instagram.
Hell
Thank
yeah.
you guys.
Go check him out. This guy is a machine. I have no clue where I am, but I'm supposed to meet Sawati. If you guys don't know who Sawati is, a French homie, deaf wakeboarder actually. And he's the guy who has my first ever pro model tattooed here on his leg. I'll pop a picture, boop, right there. And then he wants to get my new fish that's on my new board tattooed on the same leg, but like down here at his calf. And he told me to meet me at the tattoo shop because he's getting it done today. So I think this is it, Quiet Needle Ink. Yeah, this is it. All right, so we're gonna go meet Sawati inside and see him get a second Salmon board tattoo. I mean, this guy is insane. I don't even have a tattoo of any of my boards or anything on me, and this guy's gonna have 2 of my pro models tattooed on him. It's crazy. Just saying, I didn't ask him to do this or anything. Homie just wanted to do it and told me about it, and I thought it would be sick to go vlog it. So let's go meet the homie now. And Sawati.
Yo, what's up?
Is it happening today?
Oh,
Are we doing this?
3 tattoo and 1 really special tattoo. You wanna know?
Show the boys. Show the boys. They want to see.
Let's go. See you there. The Salmon 2025.
That's sick. Damn, boys, that's like exactly the fish that's on the board right there, just without the whole board around it. Show them the first one you have of the first pro model. Damn, dude.
2023, no?
With the baby
2022?
salmon. Yeah, I think, no, the 2021.
Oh, whoa.
This one, I think, 2021.
The pink
And then
salmon.
this one, 2025. The first and the 5th.
Yes.
Let's go, G. Oi, Slingshot, if you guys are watching this, please give him a free 2025 Salmon board so he doesn't have to ride my old one anymore. I would love to see him ride the new board with the tattoo. It'd be sick.
Sick. Only wakeboard, man, motherfucker. That's so exciting.
Damn, boys, I'll be honest, it actually looks real sick. way. How was it, bro?
I never see that before. You look before it.
What do you think, bro?
Oh shit. Wow. So sick. I feel like so angry. Wow.
You think looks better on your leg or better on the board?
Huh?
Looks better on your leg or better on the board?
Both.
On the board?
No, both.
Both.
Yeah, both. I can show you that in my leg is so sick.
Hell yeah, dude,
Hey,
that's
with
sick.
this I need to make 9. I don't care. Today. See that?
Got the graphic on the board and on the leg.
Attends.
This guy's crazy, boys. Let's see. Oi. Let's go, dude. So sick. Oi, let me know in the comments, you guys prefer the graphic on the board or on the leg? What do you guys think? On the leg?
Okay.
Hey, let's see those girls. Oi. And John, where are we?
I don't know, it's so many boats around us, like, what are we gonna do, Victor? Can you explain me?
Hey, it's my sexy birthday today.
Yeah.
We rented a yacht. All the boys are here.
Hey.
I can't. Full send day on the boat. Let's go. Want a wakeboard behind the boat?
Probably, I would try, but I think it's gonna be shit because it's not so fast, yeah?
Yeah, I was thinking.
That's what I'm thinking. How fast does it go?
Yeah, how fast?
Bye bye, Sirius! Have a nice trip, guys!
Say Shibalama.
One guy said me, Shibalama, what does it mean? Huh? The guy said to me, what does it mean?
Sexy boat. Man, this is sick.
Ready? Ah, shit.
No.
Oh, that's so much better. Oh, that was amazing. I needed that. It's so hot today. Oi, King Kong! And this is so sick. It's my first time partying on a boat or a yacht or anything. And it's beautiful. I'm loving it.
Oh, sick.
It's so sick, huh? This is the spot.
Yeah.
Hey, cheers, boy.
Cheers.
Oh la la.
Hey! Chakwal team on the board! Happy birthday, Victor! All monkeys are going to the monkey island.
I'm a rich Cuban.
Yeah, with my wrist Cuban. Throw them in the water and I'm the forward, I'm a wrist Cuban.
Hey, nice bikini.
Thank you. It's important, okay?
Sunscreen. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, she a bad little hoe. She like these out and yeah, she like my clothes. Yeah, she thinks I'm telling her go. Little bitch, I got air like who wanna smoke? I for the bad little hoe, she gon' probably.
No, you're Lin Bing, bro. No, he's closer to China. No, fuck that shit. No.
Hey, Chakwal on the boat.
I just say Chakwal in Chinese.
Johnny Johnson! Oh, I got it in my eye, bro. Oh, backflip.
Yeah, wait.
I'll hold it. Backflip. Oh, beautiful. And life is fucking beautiful, boys. I fucking love Thailand. Baby chika. How's the water? Is it good?
It's perfect.
Oh.
I mean,
I don't think I can stand.
You know, jump beautifully. Your head first and then legs.
Madonna. Guys, Katya doesn't know how to dive. We have to teach her today.
I'm gonna jump like a fish, like a dolphin.
Like a fish. What the fuck? No way, more showcase? What?
I'm gonna film too.
What? Mr. Influencer.
Of course, as always, eh?
Oh, hey, Mr. Be Real boy. And the storm is coming! Whoa! The storm! Man, the storm! Man, John, is everything okay?
Yeah.
It's hot, huh? He's so hot, sweating. Hey, over here! We ran out of gas on the way home and homie's coming to help us. Hey, 5 kilo ใช่ไหมประมาณ 5 กิโล โอ้ไม่เปิด Wait. โอ้ขอบคุณมากครับ Let's go. We're going back to Bangkok.